Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 Jazz EX. Now of course, as standard, this Jazz EX does come with LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and LED fog lights. You do also get 4 front parking sensors and these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do get on these alloys. Walking around to the rear, you'll notice that it has got 4 rear parking sensors. It's also got a nice little reversing camera heading up there just to make this thing an absolute doddle to park. You've then got plenty of room in the tailgate area, as you can see, with 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have got the cloth grey with the black leather interior. We've also got a nice little bit of white stitching on the leather as well, with ISOFIX mounting points down at the bottom. We've got full keyless entry and keyless start as well. And then of course, jumping inside the car, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your economy mode just there. And of course, we also have your eCVT gearbox. We've then got your climate control in the middle, as you can see there, with 2 front heated seats. And then moving up to the 9.5-inch display in the middle, this comes with your satellite navigation, comes with your various audio sources as well, and of course it does come with your Bluetooth hands-free. You've got a nice little bit of additional storage to the top left as well. Moving over to the steering wheel now, as you can see, we've got your audio controls on the left. We've got your cruise control and speed limiter with your lane keep assist and distance control on the right, and of course your heated steering wheel. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 4,488 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this 1.5 hybrid Jazz, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.